smoked old school tacos. And I'm gonna put in some fresh grated garlic. Oh, I did that little stir and then it hit me in the nose. Y'all ain't seen it done like this. All right, y'all, we about to make these old school tacos like Yvette made and Baby Boy. I got a half an onion here that I'm gonna chop up. Had these 2 little pieces of onions left over that equals up to a half an onion. But we gonna amp them up, y'all. We taking them outside and we gonna throw this on the smoker. Everybody love these. Got these onions chopped up. Get them on in there. Oh, this gonna make outside smell so good. Let's chop up these sweet red peppers. Flavor on these are gonna be incredible. Got our peppers. Get it all like that. And what I got here is just 2 pounds of good old-fashioned ground beef. This is 70-30. So this is the good old-fashioned kind that you get from the butcher that your mama used to go get. All right. So this is gonna go outside on the smoker. It's already fired up. All right, let's do it, y'all. Let's let that fire roll, baby. Oh yeah, here we go, y'all. I think this gonna be good. We got post oak wood on there. So let's give it some time and see what it do. Let the smoke do his job. All right, folks. Been going about 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and chop up this meat. Look like it got some nice smoke color on it already. Let's go ahead and let it finish cooking. We'll be back in about another 20 minutes. Let it brown up. We're going to add the seasonings and water. All right. I'm about to make up Shawana's favorite taco seasoning for this old school tacos. So we got a tablespoon of chili powder. Or should we do 2 tablespoons since I got 2 pounds? 2 tablespoons of chili powder. My corrections. 1 tablespoon of paprika. Let's do 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Let's do a half teaspoon of black pepper. Let's do a half teaspoon of cilantro. Ooh, half teaspoon of dark cocoa. Let's do a teaspoon, of thyme. Tablespoon of onion powder. Let's do a half teaspoon of cumin. Let's do a tablespoon of oregano. Guess what, y'all? Taco seasoning. Better than McCormick's. Wait, we're going to throw a little bit of garlic powder in there. Teaspoon of garlic powder. That's it there, baby. All right, y'all, we cruising at 350. Another 20 minutes in the game, 40 minutes total. Let's throw our own custom-made taco seasoning in there. Starting to look like taco season. I can really take it off now, but I'm gonna put some water in it, let it simmer. Let it simmer for about a whole 30 minutes. About a cup of water, that's all we need. Alright, so about 30 minutes. That should cook it down. Alright, see y'all back then. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. Bam. But, check this out, y'all. I think I want to go a little more. And I'm going to put in some fresh grated garlic at the last minute. How about that? What do you say? Maybe a good 15 minutes? Oh, I I did that little stir and then it hit me in the nose. Man. Alright, y'all. We'll be back.
I ain't never seen anybody do this.
Yeah.
Cook some ground beef on the smoker. Nah, that's a
Probably somebody that did it. Just ain't did it. They ain't did it like me.
Nah. Original. And it smells so good.
Yeah. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. We're gonna get it inside and plate up some old school tacos. Got the wifey helping out. She gonna make these tacos for us and dress them. She's so sweet. Thank you, baby. Oh man, look at this deliciousness. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this, y'all. Yes, sir. All right, let's get ready to dive into it and see what we got. Go ahead and put that little avocado on there. All right, it's time to dive in. Oh. It's over. It's over, y'all. Once y'all do the tacos like this and go ahead and smoke them, you ain't gonna want to go back to the regular way. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace. I'm out, y'all.